Hello everyone and welcome. I'm your host, the Doc, the Ghost Net Guy. I'm aboard the little boat, the Intense. There it is. You've seen how we put it together and built it. And now enjoy what the work is being done with the use of this boat and our underwater diver drones. Full HD cameras, multiple cameras. We're taking water temperature readings, sediment readings. We're looking at my depth finder. We're in a depth of 392 foot. Rocky bottom in here. The current today is on the outgoing, and it is a fairly rocky bottom, as I can see, with not a lot of silt. Now, some is coming up when we land. That's normal. But in some areas of Puget Sound where the current flow is not as strong, you get a lot of bottom sediment. And in here, though, in the area between Vashon Island and Blake Island, moving towards West Seattle into the area that really gets deep, over 600 foot. But we're staying right now at 390, 398, right in there, 396. Ratfish, lots of shells, but I don't know, some urchins, spiny urchins, moving along fairly fast here. But I want to show you how the rocks and the gravel are not covered with a lot of silt because of the current that flows through this area. It's amazing, isn't it, what you can see with these cameras. If I've just joined us for the first time, I'd like to welcome you. And if you've been a long-time viewer enjoying what we've been bringing to you, I'd like to say thank you. And any comments that you have, please let me know what you'd like to maybe see that we've already completed with some missions. Or maybe you'd like to have me come up in an area out in front of your house and show you what the seafloor looks like. We have done that to a lot of different areas of the Sound, and you're always welcome to let me know if you would like us to come out. There's no charge for it. It's free. We just enjoyed flying the diver drone over the seafloor and researching the health of our environment. And starting this summer with the Northwest Tribal Fishers, we're going to be in Puget Sound, flying along the near and far shoreline of the Kitsap County, Pierce County. Maybe we'll get into the Thurston County area. Mason County is another one. And we're going to be looking for what we've identified as hot spots, high areas of water pollutants. Maybe there's a lot of garbage up on the beach that needs to be removed. We found some refrigerators. We've removed a few boats. Out here in the waters of our Northwest, you never can tell what you're going to find. So I'd just like to say a big thank you to our viewers. As we continue now, moving along, there's some urchins. Ooh, a sea cucumber. Those are really tasty if they're cooked up right. But notice there's not a lot of silt, but there is some scallops. We have pink, white, different varieties here in this one shot alone. Amazing. And the ratfish are staying with me. They're curious, I guess, over what's bouncing along the seafloor. Yep, look at all the scallops. You know, it's exciting for me to be able to do this with you people. And I just really enjoy getting out, because every time I fly the waters of our Northwest, Puget Sound, I learn something new, I see something new. And if you have a chance to look at some of our past YouTube episodes, check out the octopus that attacked the camera, the giant octopus of our Northwest. Also my UUFO, underwater flying object. I'm not quite sure what it is, but I have seen it just recently in another time that we went in the boat and flew the seafloor. It was laying in the sand, and I'm not quite sure, again, what it is, but if you have a chance to let me know, please email me up or leave a comment. just pretty much the same. Oh, look at that tumbleweed there, so to speak. Until next time, everybody, be safe out on the water, and thank you for watching. Bye-bye.